Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Mazda CX-30. First, let's get familiar with the basics. To begin, press the start button while holding the brake pedal. Next, adjust your seat and mirrors to ensure a clear view of your surroundings. Finally, familiarize yourself with the gear selector, understanding the positions for park, reverse, neutral, and drive before moving. Now, let's cover the fundamentals of driving. When accelerating, press the pedal smoothly to gain speed gradually. For braking, apply gentle pressure to the brake pedal for a controlled stop, avoiding sudden movements. Always remember to maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, allowing ample time to react to changing road conditions. Your Mazda CX-30 offers several advanced features to enhance your driving experience. Explore the Mazda Connect infotainment system for navigation and entertainment. When parking, engage the electronic parking brake by pulling the switch up. Practice various parking maneuvers, like parallel and perpendicular parking, to become comfortable with your vehicle's dimensions. To ensure your Mazda CX-30 remains in top condition, regular maintenance is key. Check your tire pressure monthly to maintain optimal fuel efficiency and handling. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended oil change schedule for engine longevity. Always drive defensively, anticipating potential road hazards and adjusting your driving style accordingly for a safe journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.